This is a video about how to make sugar cookies that look like the sun. First, you mix a 1/4 cup of softened butter with a 1/4 cup of sugar. The butter should be soft so it will mix well. It was hard to keep everything in the bowl. Once it's mixed into sugary lumps, you can add 1 egg, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then mix it again. I had to keep pushing it down the sides of the bowl with the spatula. Next, you add 1 1/4 cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and then mix it again. It took a long time to push the mix into a ball. I started with a spoon and then used my hands. Finally, it felt like dough. Spread some flour on a pastry cloth or on the counter if you don't have one. And then get some flour on both sides of the dough and flatten it a little. Roll it out flat, go in both directions and stop when it's about as thick as a pencil. Then cut it out into sun shapes. We tried 2 different ones. You can even use an empty jar to make circles. Put them on a metal pan covered with parchment paper if you have it. Bake them in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. You should have an adult do this part. Carefully take them off the pan and let them cool for a little while as you're making the icing. Add milk slowly to 1 1/2 cups of powdered sugar. Keep adding and mixing until it starts to feel a little runny. It goes fast at the end, so be careful. Divide into 2 bowls. To make yellow frosting, add 3 drops of yellow food coloring. To make orange, use 2 drops of yellow and 1 drop of red. Spread the yellow on first. Then drizzle the orange in a neat pattern. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then you can use a toothpick to mix the orange in and make it look like the sun. Be creative! To make sunspots, we use chocolate chips and cake writing gel. They are dark areas that are cooler than what's around them. When the sun is active, it has more. Sometimes the sun is quiet and doesn't have any, so we left a few cookies plain. That's it! You're done! Except for the best part. Make sure to help clean up. Want to know more about the sun? Go here to get some great info.